Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen, and for today's video I will be doing a perfect summer glam makeup, which is a matte and neutral tone. And yeah, let's get started. Oh, and before we start, I'd like to thank you guys so much for 100k subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And also, giveaway, stay tuned on my channel because there will definitely be an update. And let's get started. Okay guys, so first step is I already applied my primer off camera, and I used the Etudehouse Fix and Fix primer in color mint. And then after that, I'm just gonna go in and apply my BB cream, also from Etudehouse. It is their Precious Minerals BB cream, and I'm in the shade Vanilla. After that, using my popbeauty powwow powder, I'm just gonna go in and contour the sides of my face, focusing on my jaw area and also contouring my nose, as you guys can see. And then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my blush, and I'm using a blush from my popbeauty powwow powder palette. And then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight the tip of my nose, my upper cheeks, and yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just highlighting everywhere. Okay, now it's time for eye makeup, and for the palette, I'm using the Morphe 35OM palette, and I'm using this muted brown color and applying it all over my lids as well as on my eye pillow. Okay, so after that, I'm just gonna be applying a darker shade of brown and focusing on the center part of my lids as well as on the outer corners of my eye pillow. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna go in and applying it all the way on my eye pillow, and also I'm applying it focusing on the outer corners of my lids as well as on the inner corner. And then I'm just gonna go in and apply this sort of like dark brown burgundy color and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes where I usually draw in my eyeliner. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything together. Okay, so it's time for eyeliner, and for eyeliner, I'm using this gel eyeliner from Shawill, and then I'm just gonna go in and draw it in as closer as possible to my lash line. And I'm not gonna do a dramatic wing or like long wing. As you guys can see, I'm just like slightly extending my eyeliner. Also, I'm gonna apply a little bit on the outer corners of my lower lash line, and then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and apply my favorite falsies, and this one is from Miniso. And yeah, now you guys, this is highly optional. If you guys don't want to, that's totally fine. And then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my favorite mascara. This one is from the brand called Catrice. And then it's time to draw in my eyebrows, and for eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrow pencil from ktin, and this is in the shade Ceddar, because as you guys can see, I dyed my hair light, so yeah. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and brush them using my spoolie.
72 in Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge.
Okay, we're done, and now it's time for the lips. And for the lips, I kind of wanted to do like a full-on lips, so I'm using the Peripera Airy Ink Velvet in number 10, and I'm just smudging everything using my fingers. And then I'm gonna use the Apieu Color Lipstain in Toffee Nut. Okay, so after that, I'm just gonna go in and use the Colourpop Lippie Stix in Hollywood Boulevard. I'm not sure, it will be on the description box below. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm smudging the lip colors together, and I'm kind of over smudging it on my upper and lower lips. That way it's gonna look a lot more fuller. And sorry if my voice sounds like it's cracking, because my lungs hurt so bad. And you guys, we're done. It's so easy and super simple. So let me know what you guys think on the description box below.
30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind, correction, a half inch ahead for the year, and 1 53/100 behind.
And yeah, I'll see you on my next video, and
a little bit of a change tomorrow.
bye.
And of course, the possibility of some scattered showers. Today, of course, there's nothing showing up on the radar. However, the satellite photo was pretty interesting for the western half of the U.S. Rain showers and thunder showers along that frontal system.